I'm a bad motherfucker, look good like my mama. Daddy gave me game, I keep it 100. These hoes want that thing, hit her in no partner. She gon' make it rain, hit her with that thunder. I'm a bad motherfucker, look good like my mama. Daddy gave me game, I keep it 100.
Clipper gang, welcome back to another episode of Clipperville Bullies, man. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Hey, you read the title, man. Today we will be traveling up to Conyers, man, to the Rodeo Bully Show. And we finna go ahead and network, politic with some people. I may put trouble in the show. Who knows, man? But let's get on the road, man. I'll catch you guys when we get there. Yo, YouTube, we at the show right now. Got the what, trouble. Get that French. Let me get checked in real quick. So right now we kind of got here early, man. They still setting up. We're gonna get you guys some footage, man. We're gonna show some dogs, man. We live here in Conyers, Georgia, man, at the Rodeo Dog Show, man. Let's get it.
Dope. I wish I would have brought my dog.
Oh man. He is nice.
Thank you.
He is nice. Oh man. That just got a big ass head too. Woo. Where y'all from, man?
You from here?
Here?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Stay like 30 minutes away.
Yeah? What's the bloodline on the boy?
Shit, this is Avatar from the Disney camp. He bred to a bighorn dog.
Okay.
Little Fresh, Little May's sister.
Little fresh. I done heard of Little Fresh.
Yeah. That's a bighorn son.
Okay. That's really nice.
This boy actually belongs to my boy K-Dog.
That joke is nice.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep recording, guys. So you guys just keep doing. Hopefully we get some good shots of them all together. Make sure you get it really good. Yeah. Straighten them up. Hopefully we got at least one good one out of there.
joke is nice, man. Damn, that's a big ass dog. That's a big ass dog. That more nice, bro. Hey, who dog? That's your dog, bro? Yours? Hey, stack him up for me. Let me get a picture on, bro. Jackson live in the flesh.
What's up, man?
Oh, boy, that's dope. That's dope. That bitch crazy, bro. That bitch crazy. Kissing in the rain. Be clean. Clipper game, man. Let me cut my lights on, man. Bro, y'all gonna be mad at me, bro. My phone died. My phone died, man, so I couldn't finish getting footage, man. But, hey, you see it, man. We didn't get first place, man. But my boy Trouble won second place in the best exotic micro puppy from 6 to 9 months, man. Y'all see Trouble, man. We took on second place, man. I'm gonna try to finish up this video at the crib, man. I just had to come let you guys know my phone died at the dog show, bro. My phone died at the dog show, man. But hey, I brought back something, man. So yeah, man, we're gonna chop it up, man, when I get to the crib, man. Gang. What's going on, Bully fam? It's the morning after, man. I want to apologize to the viewers, man. I don't know how I let that happen. I hate I let that happen. But hey, man, we can't cry over spoiled milk, man. But yesterday, man, I had an amazing time at the dog show, man. It had done been like 2 years since I've been to a dog show. And yesterday I had an amazing time. I seen that boy Bo Jackson. He was in the building. I seen Eastside Exotics. They was in the building. I had a great time. I'm not gonna lie. I had a great time. Bro, I'm really bummed, bro, because I let my phone die, man. So I'm really bummed about that whole situation. But yeah, man, we're gonna keep moving forward. We're gonna keep going. I still gotta make a video of the female that I'm supposed to be adding to the camp. I still haven't went and got her, man. There's just been so much going on. But yeah, man, we're gonna keep going, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay locked in with me, man. Gang, man.
I'm a bad motherfucker, lookin' like my mama. Daddy gave me game, I keep it 100. These hoes want that thing, hit her in no partner. She gon' make it rain, hit her with that thunder. I'm a bad motherfucker, lookin' like my mama. Daddy gave me game, I keep it 100.